every day. O is for octopus, splish and splash. O is for orange in a tasty dash. O is for owl, flying at night. O is for ocean, sparkling bright. O, 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 over we go, round and round the learning flow. O, 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 hooray, hooray, learning letters every day. O is for octopus, splish and splash. O is for orange in a tasty dash. O is for owl, flying at night. O is for ocean, sparkling bright. O, 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 over we go, round and round the learning flow. O, 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 hooray, hooray, learning letters every day.
Look at that. Letter O, O, over we go. Tiny and Wily stand on a smooth path shaped like a big round O. Every step rolls gently forward. Wily, the path is round and rolling. That means it's an O day. O, O, over we go. Let's roll and move over together. They step and roll forward as glowing O's float around them. Water sparkles, a friendly octopus pops up, waving its arms happily. Splish, splash, hello friends, I'm Octopus. O is for octopus, splish and splash. You have so many arms, Octopus. They help me move over, under, and around. Watch me go over the rocks. Octopus gently moves over coral and waves. That looks fun. Come on, over we go. They arrive at a sunny grove. A cheerful orange rolls toward them. Roll, zero is for orange. Hi there. I'm orange. O is for orange in a tasty dash. You're so bright. Rolling over hills is my favorite move. There. Let's roll together. They roll gently over small hills. Laughing. That was deliciously fun. Follow me to the next O. The sky softly darkens. A wise owl glides down silently. Who? Hello, travelers. I'm Owlets. O is for owl, flying at night. You're so quiet. Oh, I glide over the trees and stars. Watch me fly over the moonlight. Owl swoops gently above glowing O-shaped clouds. That's beautiful. Follow me over the waves. They reach a vast shimmering ocean. Waves glow with soft light. Whoosh! Welcome, friends. I'm Ocean. O is for ocean, sparkling bright. You're so big and shiny, my waves roll over and over again. Let's move together. Tiny and Wily sway as gentle waves roll past. I love the sound. It's time to celebrate. Glowing letter O shapes float above the sparkling sea. O is for octopus, splish and splash. O is for orange, tasty dash. O is for owl, flying at night. O is for ocean, sparkling bright. For ocean. Oh, oh, over we go. Everyone moves together as O shimmer across the sky. Oh, 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 we love the letter O. Oh, oh, oh. Are you ready for our big adventure? Round and round the learning flow. Are you ready for our big adventure? Hooray, hooray! Wow! Letters
Look
every
at that
day.
big sparkly.
O is for octopus,
It's the
splish and
octopus.
splash.
Wow.
O is for
Zero
orange
is
in
for
a tasty
orange.
dash. O is for owl, flying at night. O is for
Did you know this
ocean,
letter is for
sparkling
ocean?
bright. O, O, O,
Are
over
you
we
ready
go,
for our big
round
adventure?
and round the learning flow. O,
Are you
O,
ready
O,
for our big
hooray,
adventure?
hooray, learning letters
Wow!
every day.
Look at that big.
O is for
Look.
octopus,
It's the
splish and
octopus.
splash.
Wow.
O is
Zero is for orange.
dash. O is for owl, flying at night.
Oh.
O is for
Did you know this
ocean,
letter is for
sparkling
ocean?
bright. O, 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 over we
Are you
go,
ready for our big adventure? Are you ready for our big adventure? Wow! Look at that